Here we go again. John in Los Angeles. It's February 19th, 2021. The sky's looking pretty obliterated, guys. Big time. And these guys are shooting their way through these fake-ass clouds. Where'd you go? Oh, there he is down below here. Look at this, man. There's a war going on here, and most people don't even know it. Some guy just came by to give me a roof estimate, and he said there's a big long line at the stadium out here of people in line to get that vaccination. I can't believe people would get that thing. My God. Oh, we are in deep crap. You should hear the radio commercials out here. And every time I hear them, I want to cringe. They're telling you, once you get the shot, to make sure you keep your mask on anyway. Can you imagine you can't breathe and you're filled with unknown chemicals? Great, huh? Look at the speed of these guys. Is insane. I'm going to zoom in, but yeah, I'll just leave it. I just want to show you the sky. I'm just tired of chasing this dirt bag. Look at this. Very natural, huh? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Always in front of the sun, too, you know. They like to block the crap out of that. All right. I had to show you this. It's gonna be an ugly sunset tonight, I got a feeling. Take care, guys.